This is from almost 2 years ago after Agile Auto discovered some vibrations coming off the tensioner pulley using a stethoscope. Before the pulley failed and caused problems, I replaced it. I'll show you how easy it is to do. We're going to need a 12mm wrench to remove this single bolt holding the tensioner in place. First, I'll need to remove the serpentine belt. I'll put a link to that guide in the video description below. I got the belt off and have positioned my wrench on the bolt like so. Now to squeeze the wrench towards the upper engine mount to break the bolt loose. Once the bolt was unscrewed from the block, the tensioner was free to remove. Let's see how the pulley feels. It's definitely wobbly and has a bit of play. That's probably what's causing the vibrations. The new pulley, on the other hand, has almost no play in it at all. The protrusion on the back of the tensioner pulley is going to sit inside this hole. Just reinstall the 12mm bolt loosely, line up everything, then tighten the bolt. The new tensioner popped into place without any problems. I can't fit my torque wrench in here, but this should be tightened as close as possible to 32 foot-pounds. Now to use a 14mm wrench on the static top nut so I can pull down and test the tensioner. Everything looks good, so it's time to reinstall the serpentine belt. You can use the same guide I linked earlier in the video. I hope this helps you out if you need to replace your tensioner pulley. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.